Hello again. So this video is going to be going over the working applet for the assignment in Unit 4. So the prompt here for the thermometer applet says to write an applet that displays a thermometer. The user should be able to control the temperature with a slider component. When the user moves the slider, the thermometer should show the corresponding temperature. So I'm going to go into my files. So here I have the HTML file that displays the Java applet, and so I'm just going to open that in Internet Explorer because that's the only one I've gotten it to work on so far. I'm going to allow the blocked content, and then over here, I don't know, you can see that. That's probably better. You can see that the applet displays in the web page, and so just like what the prompt says, if you move the slider on the simulated thermometer, it changes the degrees in Fahrenheit down at the bottom. So if I go up here, I can get 70. Go up here to get 100. Oh, actually, that's not 100. Where am I at? 99. Oh, that's 110. That makes sense. Or like 60. Stuff like that. So that's the working applet. If you have any questions, let me know. And thanks.